So hi guys, so we are going to get started soon. As you can see here, what you will need is this is the Stranger Things logo. This is how it really looks. Here's the font. For the font, you're just going to download the Stranger Things font off of a site, which I will put the link down below so that you guys can follow that link and get it. And yeah, so let's open Photoshop. Here we got the logo for reference. Open new. Now we are going to make let's make the width a bit more. So let's make this a 1500. Keep the resolution 150, RGB 16-bit. Yes, that's perfect. Let's make it like that. Okay, cool. So first thing you're going to want to do is put a black background. You can either put the rectangle there straight across like that. Click there, make it black. Cool. Or you could just do this. Let me just delete this rectangle. Take the paint bucket tool, double click on this maroon color here, click and drag all the way to the black, say okay, and click on the white screen, left click on the white screen, and it's completely black. There we go. Then what we're going to want to do is open up your text tool, click and drag. That should be fine. Then we're going to say Stranger Flings. For people that's not from South Africa, flings is basically a chips that we have here in South Africa. Then I'm gonna make it all red. Make it that red. Cool. I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. When you're on the top here, just click and drag. As soon as that two arrows start showing, I'm gonna make it center aligned. Stranger Flings. Also, I'm just gonna make this in caps. Stranger. Click and drag. Flings. Let's make the flings also in caps. Let's make it a bit smaller. Just scroll over here on the corner of the text box. Hold shift and drag. When you left click, let's make it like that size. Okay, cool. Center line it. There we go. And then let's put the text a bit closer. For that, we're going to go right on top. And this file looking icon here, you're just going to click on that. It's going to bring up the character panel. It will show you what font it is. Like it says it's the Banguet font. I'm keeping it bold. And over here, we are going to click the one with the arrow and the two A's. We're going to make it, let's just choose a 24, no, 60. Let's choose a 6. Okay, let's choose a 72 just to be safe. There we go. Okay. Next thing you're gonna want to do is just go to the layer style where it says add layer style with the F and the X. Click on that. Select stroke. This is where the magic is gonna happen, where you're gonna get that red glowing effect. So the stroke is already on that I have put, and you can't see it right now because I already put it on. But with the stroke, you're also going to have a outer glow. And now I made the outer glow red as well. If you don't have it red, just click here to make it red. Now I'm gonna make the size a bit smaller so it's not too invasive. not too hectic. Okay, let me make it a bit bigger. Make the opacity a bit more. Oh, let me make it softer. To spread, there we go. Let me say okay. Now to get that red that is in this, we are going to make go inward into the text. So what you're going to do is select, open your layers, not select, like that. Then you're going to double click on the effects. You're going to choose inner glow. Now the inner glow is going to make that effect. So the inner glow size, let's make the inner glow size not too heavy. Let's make it like that. Just want to change the outer glow again so that it's not so imposing. Okay, cool. There we go, Stranger Things. Now to get this, to get these rectangles, yeah, what you're gonna want to do is open the rectangle shape tool, click and drag, click there, make it also red, and then what I want to do is Alt, left click and shift and drag till it's there. Zoom in a bit so you can at least make it a bit smaller. There we go. And then what you want to do is do the same thing. Alt, left click, shift, drag. Let's just make that space like that. Cool. Let's actually bring this rectangle a bit down. There we go. Then what you're gonna do is for this rectangle to also have the same effect, I'm going to, you can just click on the rectangle, go to the FX tool and say outer glow again, and there you go. Let's give it that outer glow. And what you're gonna do with the next rectangle tool, with the next rectangle is just, you don't have to go click on the FX, you can actually just hold in Alt and left click on the effects, and then you drag it onto the shape and it copies the effect. So there we go. And do it to that rectangle. There we go. Let's just make it a bit smaller because it is quite imposing there. So okay, click, drag, click, drag. There we go. To make it exactly like that, what you're gonna want to do is make the text box a bit smaller. Click on it, drag it a bit down so it looks more stretched. Say okay. Click on the two rectangles on the sides, bring it down a bit. Cool. And then to get this effect over here, what you're gonna want to do is click on a circle, shift and drag, make it red, not necessarily red, but make it a bit darker version of the red. Click on the layers, open it up, just take that, click on the effects, we're going to give it an outer glow, yes. We're also going to give it an inner glow. Say yes. Again, for the inside, we're just gonna make it black and white. Just gonna make it like that. Make it a bit smaller. And here we go. Well, let's make it like small like that. But what you're gonna do is the inner glow is okay, but the outer glow, you can make the outer glow spread a bit bigger. Like that. There we go. If you just want to add a little emphasis on certain parts, more lighting. And there we go. The Stranger Things logo has been done. I hope you guys liked this video, and thanks for watching. If you guys are looking for any corporate branding such as logos, business cards, and more, please contact us on our website www.astrodesigns.co.za. If you would like to check out some of our work, don't be afraid to visit our Instagram page or our Facebook page.